Hello people, my full name is Alexander, but everyone calls me Lequim. I'm 28 years old, and my birthday is on April 19th. I live in Araras, São Paulo, on Joana Maynard Street, number 1312, with my mother. I have 3 siblings, Wagner, Alicea, and Alexander. But we don't live in the same house. My daily routine is very simple. I wake up at 6:30, take a shower, and go to work. I worked there for 4 years, 1 year as a mechanic and 3 years as a mechanical designer technologist. It's very hard, but very satisfying too. After work, I go back to my home and eat something. Later, I walk with my dog. His name is Zeus. It's a big and intelligent dog. I can use a computer very well. I use it all day, included in my home. I have a lot of courses, like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, FlashPlay, and mechanical drawing, and the others. I don't like watching TV. I usually watch on the computer. I like watching tutorials about designing games, watching animations and series too. I love watching tutorials about special effects and also watching movie with many effects, as The Rock for example. I like sports such as soccer and running too. I can play soccer, but not very well. I prefer watching sports. I like going out with my friends on weekends to drink, eat, talk. I like traveling with my friends too. I'm studying English today because I wanna travel around the world. Well, that's all about me. See you. Bye bye.